Starting with the most easiest question of today. Hassan, he buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms, shirt and for shirt material and for trouser material. So shirt material is costing him rupees 50 and trouser material जो है rupees 90 per meter. Now for every 3 meters of shirt he is buying 2 meters of trouser material. So if the shirt you assume as 3x, trouser will be 2x. ठीक है? So we'll write the solution. Let the shirt material be how much? 3x and trouser material be 2x. Okay, now first we'll find the cost of these two. So cost of shirt material that is rupees, he is buying rupees 50 per meter into 3x, that is 150x, and cost of trouser material is how much? Rupees 90, na? Rupees 90 into 2x, that is 180x. So this is the cost of shirt and this is the cost of trouser that he is buying. Now let's read the other part of the question. He is selling these materials at 12% and 10% of profit respectively. Matlab, for shirt he is selling at 12% profit and for trouser he is selling it at 10% of profit. That means the selling price. So selling price is what? Cost price plus profit. Here also this is the cost price because he has bought. So again the selling price of this will be cost price plus profit. So first we'll find out the selling price of the shirt and then the trouser separately. So it will be 150 and 180. I'll have to remember. Here I have written selling price of shirt and selling price of trouser. So selling price means cost price plus the profit. So what is the cost price? We found na kitna aaya tha? It was 350, 150. So 150x plus 12%. So 150x plus 12 upon 100. Okay. So we'll further solve it. Now this is the CP but profit 12% on shirt na. So I have forgotten to write here 150x into इसका 12% ना, cost price का 12%. So 150x into 12 upon 100. Now we will solve. So here 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 15 into 12. So this is 150x plus 12 5s are 60. 12 1s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 180x. Now this 10 will be multiplied here. Okay. To make it the LCM because here it is 1. So we will multiply by 10. So this becomes 1500. So why to multiply? Just cut the 0. Now we add 150 and 18. So this becomes 8. This becomes 6. So it is 168x. What is the SP? 168x. And For trouser also again CP plus profit. It was how much? कितना था? 2x. 2 9s are 18. 180 था. So 180x plus इसी पे लगाया था profit of 10%. So we write 10%. Then 180x plus 180 into 10 upon 100. 0 got cancelled. So 180 plus 18. So this is x. So this is 8 9 198x. So this is the SP of the shirt and SP of the profit, SP of the trouser. 168x and 198x. I'll have to remember it. 168, 198. So his total sale is rupees 36,600. That is sale of shirt and sale of trouser is giving him rupees 36,600. That is what we took out. That is rupees कितना आया था? 168x plus 198x is equal to rupees 36,600. Now we are going to add this. So 366x is equal to, so 366 will be shifted that side, so x is equal to so the value of x is how much? 100. Now what is the question asking? The question is asking how much trouser material did he buy. So for the trouser was how much? 3x and 2x. 3 meters 2x. So trouser material, how much did we take? That was 2x, that is 2 into 100, which gives us 200 meters. So this is your answer.